So hello guys, today we are going to look on how to prepare for a technical interview and what are the key reasons for getting reject. So we will explain that how you can avoid these types of situations and getting selected in technical interview. So without wasting the time, let's start. So the basic and first thing is when candidate was not prepared. So what does that mean? If you see that in different job roles there are some different technical requirements takes place, just like as I'm a business analytics guy, so basically visualizing skill, Tableau, Power BI, and also coding skill like Python, all these are required. So whenever a candidate is not prepared, means he does not he looks and sounds very good, but the main problem is he is not able to explain all the skill set he has or she has. So in that case the candidate has got the chance to get rejected. Candidates was not prepared. So for any interview, the candidate must have to be prepared in terms of the projects and all the things. If interviewer ask you to explain the projects, and if you are not prepared, then you just make some assumptions and just breaking your voice to think. In that situations, the chances of getting rejected is very high. So be prepared. So this is the one of the main reason that why the candidate got rejected in technical interview. And the next is the skill set of the candidate does not match the requirements of the organization. So what does that mean? This is how, like suppose I am going to sit on organizations, that organizations use some different technical tools, and whatever I have learned, I have some different technical skills. So what was that? Suppose in data visualization, the company uses some different language of coding languages, and I don't know that language. I know a different language, just like Python. Maybe I know Python, but for analytics purpose, maybe they are using Julia or any other languages. In that term, maybe although I have the skill of be an analytics person, but still there is a gap between the organization's requirements or needs and my skill set. Due to that gap, the chances of getting rejection is confirmed. So why so? Because the organization is looking for specific requirements in technical tools. So if the organization is looking for something like market research, then skills like Excel is very much important. So if you are not able to do the Excel fundamental Excel functions, just like if else, if you don't know if else, if you don't know lookup, then it's really difficult for them to choose you. Maybe you know Python and everything, but these are the skills which are requires which requires in market research candidates. So basically there are certain skill set. So whenever you are going to sit on an interview, try to make sure that what the company wants or what are the needs of the companies or requirements of the companies matches with the skill sets which are mentioned in your CV. Suppose the company requires a Power BI and Power BI graphic, Power BI visualization, and you have shown your skills in Google Studio or something like that. Then that's not the point, because the company is looking for very specific skill, and which is Power BI. Different organizations have different technical stacks and different tools. So first try to confirm that what are their requirements is, and are you the best fit for the organizations in terms of their requirements and also your skills. So this is very much important. The next is the candidate is technically sounds good but does not seems culturally fit for the organizations. Now each and every organizations have certain beliefs or core values, just like mission, vision, and goal. So in terms of missions and visions, if your belief and the organization belief or culture does not match, then you are a wrong choice for organizations. I remember one thing. Abhishek from Nail Hunt so comes to our campus and we just talked. He took a really nice session. So he's an experienced HR. He told us that culturally fit is very much important for hiring. So why so? Because several organizations have several beliefs, and to work in the same belief, your belief need to be matched with the organization's belief. So suppose the organization have a different set of beliefs or culture and your culture does not match the organization culture, then you are not the best fit for the organization. So why so? Suppose Google has an, we all know that Google has a different culture. Google has a decentralized culture, and there are some organizations also just like ICICI Bank and different organizations which have some hierarchical structure. The span of control is very much steeper. So in that sense, if you are a person who have some cultural who is culturally fits in ICICI Bank like culture means steep and span of control, then you are not a good fit for Google decentralized culture because your beliefs and your cultures are totally different from Google's. So in that sense, the culturally fit is very much important. So these are the one of the major 3 points by which you can easily got rejection in any technical interview if you have these problems. So try to overcome those problems. If you want to learn that how to prepare for answers in interview, then please write on the comment. I will try to come up with video and to try to tell you some better answers which you can give on any interview. So that's all for today. Thank you.